Hey guys, welcome back to OverLand. My name is Chad, and today we're going to be replacing a starter in this bad boy. So let's pop the cap and get this checked out. I think I swallowed a bug. Now we get to see if the rebuilt unit we got matches up to the one we have. I think this plate is actually turned a little bit, but we'll double check when we get the other one out. Now that we got the hood up, we got to figure out where this fluid leak is coming from. Looks like it's coming from the steering box holder or whatever, reservoir, that's the word I'm looking for. So we're gonna have to remove this anyway so we can get down in there and get to the starter, which is hiding back in there. So yeah, good times, good times. Or if I have a long enough extension, maybe I can get to it from back here. Or we'll take a look from underneath. Let's see what we got from underneath here. Oh yeah, we can get the two of the bolts back here underneath. Well, we managed to get the 4 wires off of the body of the starter. Oh, actually I'm looking at the back of the solenoid. So there's 2 wires that come off the back of the solenoid. 1 wire that comes off, well, 3 wires that come off the back of the solenoid. 2 to the large bolt, 1 to the small bolt on the left-hand side as you're facing the back of it. And then down inside of there we go. Down here on the back of the starter, we got 4 wires I just pulled off and then zip tied them all together so I don't lose track of where those go, because I have a feeling it's going to take me more than a day to do this, because I gotta get my fat little hands back in here to get that bolt there, that one there, and then 1 on the other side. I think there's only 3, but I can't remember. I gotta look back at the TM and see what it says. Well, we got the old starter out, and as you can see, it's permanently jammed forward. So that's not good. Whereas our new starter is at least gonna disengage. But that's not what has me worried. This is what has me worried. Yeah, we got motor oil in the starter. So that tells me we have a bigger problem on our hands than just a bad starter. Anyway, we'll deal with that. So, fun. Well, first of all, we don't have a cap mounting flange on the new one. New. So the rebuilt one has, I don't know what mounting flange that's from. So I'm going to try and swap the cap flange for that one. So here I'm just putting a scribe on the mounting flange that line up with the magnet bolts so I know which way to put it back on. Then it's just a matter of taking out all the bolts and knocking the end off with a hammer. Well, at least we know this bearing is nice and clean, or well lubricated. Repeat the process on the old starter. Take some measurements and make sure all of your tolerances are correct. And just like that, you go ahead and reassemble it, put it on the truck, and then go ahead and take it back off the truck because you realize you screwed something up. Well, let me just show you what I screwed up. Well, I'll show you on this one, but lo and behold, when I put the other, let's put this in the frame. Lo and behold, when I put the other piece on the new starter, well, new starter, there was one of these guys here and here that were blocking the bolts from going in. So I ended up having to take it back out of the truck and grind these off with the old angle grinder, and then shoot them with some spray paint to make them all pretty again. So let's go take a look at the truck. Okay, we managed to get I don't know why I keep saying okay, but we managed to get all the bolts in there and torqued down. That was a total pain in the butt. So I'm still worried about the rear main seal on the engine. I am pretty sure that's blown. Well, not blown too bad, it's it's squirting enough oil to get up into that reservoir there and then seep into the starter. So, but well, I got it all wired back up, so let's go ahead and see if this thing fires off. Battery. Alright, let's see if we let the smoke out. Smoke did not come out yet. See if we got anything glowing. Nope, nothing glowing, but we do have a power steering pump leak, so we're going to tear that off in another episode and go from there. Yaha! Hey, and it even stops. That's a good sign that I didn't wire it backwards. Cool. All right, well, here we are, guys. Hope you liked this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If there's anything you'd like me to do, like I tried to get some more footage of inside underneath the cab, but with the tight spaces and the GoPro and this camera, it just turned into garbage. So there we are. Replace the starter. I'll leave the part numbers for those starters down below, but realistically, if you look for any Cat 3126 starter, it pretty much works because you're going to have to steal the mounting plate off the old one. So anyways, thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one.